Let's look at this set. India Got Super Talent is a popular TV show where people from various creative fields participate. 6 participants, Manya, Revant, Malvika, Shravan, Rohit, and Mohit, are the finalists who are competing for the grand prize. The 6 judges who are judging them are Neha, Farha, Anu, Sonu, Himesh, and Babu. The judge has awarded each participant a score from 21 to 30, both inclusive and no fraction. So only natural numbers. Everyone has given the scores that are given to people, which is also represented in the table here, is from 21 to 30. Okay. In such a way that the 6 participants got 6 distinct scores from each judge, which means every judge, every row, the numbers will be distinct. However, a participant may get the same score from 2 different judges. So columns need not necessarily be distinct, but rows have to be distinct. This is what is stated to us. Next, the following 2 tables partially show the scores and ranks of the candidates. As Judge Anu has awarded a maximum score to Revant, 1, and minimum score to Malvika, 6. Hence, according to Anu's judgment, the rank of Revant is 1 and that of Malvika is 6. Okay. The candidate with the highest total score will be the winner of the competition. Okay. Before we proceed any further, basis these scores and numbers, there are certain conclusions that can be drawn. Let us go ahead. Now see, because we know that only the rows are distinct, honestly, only the rows matter to us. Now see, Manya's score from Neha is not told, but she's rank 1. Revan's score from Neha is not told. He's rank 3. Malvika's score is known, but her rank is not given. Shravan's score is not known, rank is given. Rohit's score is known, rank is not given. And then again, Neha's score for Mohit is given and rank is not given. But a lot of these numbers can be filled up using understanding. Look at this. Mohit has got minimum score because everyone could get 21 to 30 only. If the minimum score obtained by Mohit, Mohit is definitely 6. Additionally, the 3 ranks missing, we can quickly identify. Malvika will get this highest missing rank, which is 2, and Rohit will get rank 4. Now see, Rohit has the 3rd lowest rank, and he also has the 3rd highest score, which would mean at rank 5, Shravan, who is at rank 5, he has to have a score lower than 23 and higher than 21. The only possible score Shravan can get is 22. Now, because I know 4th person has got 23 and Malvika with 27 has rank 2, can I say Revant with rank 3 has to be higher than 23 but lower than 27? So it can be anything from 26 to 24. Any score in this range would be acceptable. For Manya, because she has the highest score available from Neha, it has to be higher than 27. So any score from 28 to 30. Let me also change this to 24 to 26 because I want to write the small number in the left and the large number in the right. And Neha's scoring and all the working that she could potentially do is already identified. In the same vein, look at the ranks that are missing for Farah. The ranks that are missing for Farah are rank 3 and 4. So, of course, Manya would have gotten rank 3 and Shravan would have gotten rank 4 because the scores are that way. Additionally, see the absolutely wonderful thing. The fact that Shravan has 23 here and has rank 4, the 3rd lowest score and the 3rd lowest rank, it means rank 5 can only be 22, rank 6 can only be 21, rank 4 is already 24 for Farha. Now for Revant and Malvika, see the ranges are going to be, because Malvika is rank 1, her score can go up till a maximum of 30 and up to a minimum of 26. Because even if she has a 26, Revant can have a 25 and then Farha at 23 can be ranked. So the minimum score Revant can get is 25, but the maximum that he can get is 29. Highest possible score if given to Malvika, then Revant can have 29. This range is identified. Absolutely wonderful. Next thing, let's look at Anu score given to Manya and Rohit. Manya has 26, rank missing. Rohit has 29, rank missing. The ranks missing are rank 2 and 5. We can clearly see rank 2 will go here, higher score, and rank 5 will go here. Now, if 29 is rank 2, the only way it can work is if rank 1 is 30. If rank 1 is 30, so Anu score to Revant is definitely 30. Next, I see the fifth highest possible score. The fifth highest possible score is 26. And Anu has got fifth rank Anu has given fifth rank to Manya, and Manya has scored 26 from Anu, which would mean rank 1 is 30, rank 2 is 29, rank 3 is 28, rank 4 is 27. Only then can rank 5 be 26. For Malvika's score from Anu, because she's rank 6, we can be certain it can be anything from 21 to 25. Anything from 21 to 25. Absolutely wonderful. Let us now look at Sonu's score distribution. We have 27, 25, 21. The missing ranks are 2, 4, and 6. So this will be 2, this will be 4, and this will be 6. Now see, 27 is rank 2, and rank 4 is 25. So rank 3 has to be between these two scores, has to be 26. Additionally, rank 4 is 25, rank 6 is 21. So rank 5 has to be somewhere between these two. So it will be 22 to 24. And Sonu, being rank 1, will have anything from 28 to 30. Okay. Next, for Himesh, the three scores known as 26, 22, 23. And the three ranks missing are 1, 4, and 5. So this is rank 1. This is rank 4. This is rank 5. Okay. If rank 5 is 21, rank 6 can only be, if rank 5 is 22, rank 6 can only be 21. Additionally, look at this. Rank 5 is 22, rank 4 is 23, rank 1 is 26. The 6 lowest possible scores that a person can obtain are 20, that a judge can give out are 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Given that rank 1 here itself is 26, it means scores for all 6 people can be uniquely identified. Rank 2 will necessarily be 25, and rank 3 will necessarily be 24. There is no other possibility here. Okay. Now working for Babul. The highest score 30 is obtained for Mohit. So 1. Then the next missing will be, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay. So 4 is 24. So rank 3, see, Rohit's highest possible score is 29, and lowest possible, and Malvika's highest possible score is 28. This is known. And Rohit's minimum possible score has to be 26, and Malvika's lowest possible score will therefore be 25. So we pretty much have ranks wise, we know what rank from which judge every participant has got. But for scores, we have ranges. Let's go. What can be the minimum total score of Revant so that he can definitely win the competition? So what we would need to do here is find out the maximum possible points total for every participant, and then see if Revant can possibly win the competition. Let me just, okay, let's do highest possible summation for Manya. 21, 25 is 46, 46 plus 50 is 96, 96 plus 60 is 156. So her scores will lie from 156 is the maximum, and 2 less, 152 to 156 Manya score. Revant's score is 22, 26 is 48, 48 plus 27 is 75, 75 plus 30 is 105, 105 plus 55 is 160, and I need 2 less and 4 less. So 154 to 160 for Malvika. 28, 21, 49, 49 plus 50 is 99, 99 plus 30 is 129, 129 plus 27 is 156 again. What are lower range? 3 less, 4 less, 4 less, 11 less. So 145 to 156. For Shravan, you will have precise numbers. 22 plus 23 is 45. 45 plus 54 is 99. 99 plus 46 is 145. Then for Rohit, we have 23, 22, 45. 45 plus 50 is 95. 95 plus 53, 5 on 148. Finally, for Mohit, we have 21, 20. Oh. I need to have a lower limit for Rohit also. 3 less, so 145 to 148. And now for Mohit, 21, 21 is 42. 42 plus 27 is 69. 69 plus 24 is 93. 93 plus 23 is 93 plus 23 is 116. 116 plus 30 is 146. 146 is the highest and the lowest is 144. And this is it. Okay. Let's go record the answers. What can be the minimum total score of Revan so that he can definitely win the competition? Now, given that the highest possible score achieved by his competitors, given that the highest possible score that can potentially be achieved by his competitors caps out at 156. Malvika can potentially reach 156. Manya can potentially reach 156. Even if Revant ends up at 157, he's definitely winning the competition. So answer is option A. Next, who is the contestant whose unique total score can be determined? We know for Shravan, all the numbers were unique. So for Shravan, we can do that. Option B. What can be the maximum score of Malvika? Maximum score of Malvika turns out to be 156. So option C. What can be the least score of Rohit? The least score of Rohit, if I need, it has to be lower than this and higher than this. 24, 25, 26. The least possible score for Rohit is 145. So option A. What can be the maximum difference between total score of Revant and the total score of Shravan? Total score of Shravan is guaranteed to be 145. For A1, the maximum possible score I can get to is 160. So 160 minus 145, the maximum possible difference is 15. And last, how many points could Judge Sonu have awarded Mohit? Could Judge Sonu have awarded Mohit if Mohit's score was least among the 6 contestants? If Mohit's score is least among the 6 contestants, he has to go lower than 145. The only way he gets lower than 145 is if he gets 22 from Sonu. So the answer here has to be option A, 22. And that is the entirety of this set. This set is not that difficult again, but what it requires is this table has to be created in the notebook. Both of these tables have to be created and you have to record everything. Creation of the table is the bigger challenge.